Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need the Excel desktop app. The web version won't show the data analysis tools. Once you confirm that, save and close other files to avoid interruptions. Now open File, choose Options, then Add-ins. This path gets you to Excel's extension control panel where the analysis tool pack lives. You're not done yet. Make sure to note the add-ins type shown at the bottom so you can use the Manage dropdown. This is the single path to surface the data analysis commands. Once the add-ins dialog opens, set Manage to Excel Add-ins and click Go. That reveals the checkbox list you need. You must check Analysis Tool Pack and press OK. Excel will load the add-in and register the data analysis command on the Data tab. If Analysis Tool Pack is not listed, click Browse to point to the add-ins folder or run Office Setup to add optional features. Doing this ensures the tool is installed and available every time you open Excel. After enabling, switch to the Data tab and look for Data Analysis on the far right. That confirms success. If you do not see it, close and restart Excel. Sometimes the UI needs a reload. If the button remains missing, open File Right Arrow Options, Right Arrow Add-ins again, and check COM Add-ins or Rerun Office Repair to reinstall the Analysis Tool Pack. One key troubleshooting tip: avoid Excel Online. Only the desktop app supports this add-in, so make sure you're in the correct application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.